Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be jumping in to the December 2020 Glossy Box. Full unboxing. Let's talk through all of the products in here and try out a few of them as well. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this month's Glossy Box with me, stay tuned. So first thing, I love that they come in these little keepsake boxes because it's nicer than just your standard cardboard box bubble mailer. This one says the best time of year with this cute little glitter river on it. This is actually really cute and I'm probably going to save these boxes and use them for something. I just don't know what yet. So for the best time of year, there are 6 items in the box. The first is a lip product, so I'm actually going to remove my lipstick so we can try it out together. So the first product is from Nude Sticks. It is the Gel Color Lip and Cheek in the color Posh. Actually, before I open this, let me check, because I think I actually have this. I do not. I have a different shade, so we are going to try this one out together. Though I am familiar with the formula, and they do go on very creamy, and they are quite comfortable. So I can already tell you I like the product, and it is a $26 value. So I did not expect it to have this much shimmer. And normally I don't like a lip that has this much shimmer to it. I prefer a more matte formula. But I think it looks really pretty, especially with the purple eye look I have going on today. The next item is from Mini Tan. It is the Coffee Scrub. Revitalize your skin with this full body caffeine kick. Ground coffee exfoliates the skin to help with dryness, flakiness, and more. Retails for $15. The full size is $19.95. Interesting. So I will not be using this on camera for obvious reasons. This is a coffee scrub and that doesn't really make sense for me to do sitting right here. So I will set that aside. The next product is from Youth to the People. This is a deluxe mini size, which is an $18 value. The full size is retailed at $58. Formulated for dry and reactive and sensitive skin, this moisturizer's plant extract and peptide complex makes for long-lasting hydration without clogging pores. Now, I have used this in the past and I remember liking it, but I don't remember why I stopped using it. I probably just ran out and ended up using whatever came next. So I will set this aside for when I finish the current skincare I'm on, which I will talk about a little bit later in the video, just because I was asked for a skincare update, so we'll do that in this video too. Next, from Christoph Robin, this is probably one of my favorite hair care brands. This is the deluxe mini size, so it is an $8.48 value, kind of a weird size, but okay. Cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt. Restore balance to your scalp with this iconic scrub, suitable for just about every hair type and texture. Amazing for cleansing, removing buildup, flakiness, and soothing sensitivity. Use once a week. I love this brand and have used this brand on more than one occasion. This smells delicious. I will be putting this to the test tonight, though I have used a lot of their line and I can already tell you I am a fan of their products. The next item comes from K-Glow. This is the Soothing Coconut Biocellulose Eye Mask. An intensive all-around eye treatment includes naturally fermented coconut juice to smooth, nourish, and plump the skin. After cleansing, place around the eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Retails for $6. I will not be using this. You guys know I do have a sensitivity to coconut, so I am unable to use any skincare on my face that has coconut in it, the one exception being lip products. So I'm going to have to give that to someone who can use it because unfortunately I cannot. And the last item is from CBD FX, which is a full-size foot mask. This is in the scent lavender, but it also comes in peppermint. Retails for $9.99. Containing premium quality broad spectrum hemp extract, this vegan-friendly foot mask is the perfect solution for restoring moisture and relaxation. For best results, apply to clean feet before bed for 20 minutes. This is actually something I will be trying out because I do love a good sheet mask for my feet from time to time. Now, all in all, this box has a value over $80, which for the subscription price I think is amazing. There is a discount code, which is my name, Brett, which I will link down below, which will give you your first box for $16. So for $16, this is amazing, especially given some of the amazing products in here. I cannot wait to use the scalp detoxifier because you guys know I love me some hair care. Now, I do get a lot of questions, so I am going to just tie up the Glossy Box unboxing portion of the video because I do get a lot of questions about the skincare I'm using, so I did want to give you guys a quick little update on what I'm currently enjoying. So I was fortunate enough to have this stuff sent to me, but it is not sponsored. They are from Biossance. I have been using the Squalane Omega Repair Cream as a moisturizer, the Squalane and Lactic Acid Resurfacing Night Serum for my evening, and the Marine Algae Eye Cream, which also has squalane in it, for my under eyes. Now, thank you to Biossance for sending this over. I was super appreciative to get it because I love this brand. I used them a lot when I was in Sephora, and something a lot of people don't know is that squalane is an amazing ingredient for hydration. Everybody always talks about hyaluronic acid, and that seems to be the only thing people know that does hydration, but squalane is one of those ingredients that is so good for your skin. It just causes the cells on a micro level to just suck up as much as much water as humanly possible. So that is one of those things that is great for your skin. Now, I know you guys will remember a while ago I was using the Olga Lorenzen line, which I have been, as I finish those, I've been integrating the Biossance products in. And this Squalane and Lactic Acid Resurfacing Night Serum, I do find to be very similar to the Olga Lorenzen one. The way Olga describes her products are as spicy. So if it has a little bit of redness or tinge, that means it's working. And I find that her line is a little spicier. So if you're looking for a more gentle alternative to the Olga Lorenzen line, you will probably enjoy the Biossance. If you want something that's a little bit stronger, I would probably push you towards the Olga line. Again, I will link all of the products down below, so if you have any questions, you can look at them down there. But I do want to give you guys updates as much as possible because you guys ask about my skincare routine all the time. And that is the finished video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what you guys think of my skincare, of the GLOSSYBOX unboxing, of all of these items in one. Personally, when it comes to subscription boxes, I do like to tell you guys, if you get your money's worth, it is definitely worth it. So for $16, definitely got money's worth out of this box. Obviously, it was sent to me for reviewing purposes, but this is not sponsored. But I do want to make it clear, like, even when it comes to my BoxyCharm boxes, which are $25 for $125 worth of product, as long as the value is there, I'm happy with it. I don't need to fall in love with every product there. If that was the case, I would just take my money, go to the store, and buy something. I am here to try new things, and, like, I would have never purchased or been interested in a shimmering lipstick. But now that I have this on and it's catching the reflection, I think it looks really, really pretty, especially this time of year. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!